Feels great to be vaccinated. Are you gonna get vaccinated?
I'm vaccinated. Are you?
I got my vaccine. Did you?
I'm vaccinated, and I am afraid of needles.
Have you gotten your COVID-19 shot? I got mine.
Now that I'm vaccinated, it's wonderful to be able to be back with family, to be hanging out with students, and to be able to be reconnecting with our alums.
Now that I'm vaccinated, I get to travel with my friends.
Now that I'm vaccinated, I can finally fly home to the Philippines and see my friends and not just their eyes and above.
I'm vaccinated, and I'm looking forward to seeing everyone in person.
I'm looking forward to contact, connection, real presence.
I'm a Seton Hall mom, and I'm glad that everyone has been asked to be vaccinated.
Pirates, get vaccinated.
Let's get this done.
It's time, Pirates.
Got shots?
We're Seton Hall strong.
Get vaccinated.
Get vaccinated.
Get vaccinated.